Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at a new Linux distribution that's fairly popular among Ubuntu based distributions, and this is primarily known for its consistent UI, and also a lot of people like the look of Zorin OS. So, I just downloaded and installed it on my system right now, and when we go to the web page, they're marketing this as, a familiar desktop you already know how to use. So that means they are supporting Windows sort of like Windows kind of styling out of the box. And then we have like more like Windows 11, and then we have Genome over here. So already a lot of things are going on over here, and they're saying that it would perform better. Yeah, sure. Any Linux distribution could, revive your old PC. Sure. I mean, like, that's not a feature that, that's specific to Zorin OS. So they are just saying it's reliable because it's based on Ubuntu and it's secure, whatever. Okay. Without wasting any time, let's just dive into it. So here is my virtual box where I've set up my Zorin OS in it. So let's just, this is the first install. I haven't set up yet anything yet. So this is my first impressions kind of video. So let's just check out the terminal. Right out of the box, I noticed that they are using JetBrains monophone instead of default, fonts that we see on Linux, which is really a good thing. JetBrains mono does look a lot better than any other, default out of the box Linux mono fonts. So let's just quickly check which shell they are using. Okay, they are using bash. And also let's just see how much space we have. Okay, I allocated around 80 gigs and it used almost 9.3 gigs, which is like not too low and also not too high, especially when you compare like Windows taking up 30 gigs, sometimes even 40 gigs close to on your first installation. Yeah, this is much better than Windows, obviously. hmm Uh, I've also seen a application that has been included with the OS itself, and there are quite a couple of tweaks one can do here. So, like we have this view where the minimized applications are have a bigger view. That's good. And then we have more like a genome style, I would say. Yeah, this is genome. I think I'm more okay with the styling of this appearance. And then we have theme where we have accent colors. Have you seen like the background color is changing based upon the accent color I'm choosing? That's really cool. It's kind of like a material view with Android right now. Let's just stick with the blue one. That look better. And then on the interface, we have animations, jelly mode. This jelly mode is especially interesting. So this kind of works a lot like Apple's Mac OS animations while minimizing and then maximizing the windows. So if I just do like this, so it's almost like a jelly. But I found that like the animations were not that consistent because the taskbar is over here, but the animations are happening from the middle of the taskbar. I don't know what's happening. Okay, let's just skip to the next part maybe. So this is pretty much standard. And then fonts, I see that they are going with interregular over here. It's not bad. I've seen better. Okay, cool. Without any other drama, let's dive into what we have out of the box. So accessories, we have files. Okay, let's see what kind of file explorer they offer. They kind of customized a lot on this file explorer as well. Like as we can see, it almost feels like a different file explorer altogether. Like the icons, like even the theme customization that's going on throughout the system, that's pretty consistent with the file explorer as well. And let's just go to the settings. Let's see what they are saying in the about page. Pretty much standard Zorin OS 16.1. And then they're saying, wow, they did realize that I'm running this in a virtual box. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then we also have LibreOffice out of the box, I guess. Yep, we have LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Draw, Impress, pretty much standard Linux stuff. I would also like to see what, yeah, they included Firefox out of the box. Cool. They built a website that just starts as soon as you open Firefox. I mean, like, why? What's the purpose? I know it's based on Google, so why don't you just put www.google.com instead? Whatever. I don't really mind. See, now the animations are kind of consistent, like with the location that from where it is supposed to go. Whatever. And then let's just see if this has APT, just like any other Ubuntu. Yep, it does have APT. What all tools does it have? Does it have Python 3? Yep, it has Python 3. Does it have CC? Yep. G++? No, you don't have G++ out of the box. That's okay. Oh, they even included visibility for the password as well. That's really good. Almost like all the Linux terminals I've used, no other terminal or shell provides this feature where it shows the hinting of the password out of the box. And I see that they're pretty much bootstrapping from the Ubuntu archive, which is good. And I mean, like at this point, they might not have their own archive yet, but it's good. Ubuntu is like pretty stable right now, and the packages that we find on Ubuntu archives are like mostly secure. Cool. What else do we want to check out on this utilities? What do we have with utilities? System monitor, fonts, blah blah blah. Something called as disk usage analyzer. I think it needs some time to index all the volumes that are there on my system, and then pretty much show what's happening. We have GNU out of the box for manipulating any images that we have. Oh, it's done. Yeah, this is a cool representation of the disk space and various folders assigned with the color, but like this comes out of the box even with Ubuntu, so there's nothing special that's going on over here. What do we get apart from that? Internet, we have Firefox, and we get a bunch of games, and that's pretty much it. There is also one other mention that's called as Zorin Connect. Apparently, with this, you could connect your phone, and then you would get all the notifications, all the photos that you can browse, and also you could reply to text messages as of now. And then you could also like control your PC just with the phone. I mean, like honestly speaking, in the real world, no one would do that. I'm not sure about the security of this application yet, but I'm not sure if it's as big as something like KD Connect. So yeah, if you guys want to try that, just you can try. And also, one other thing I wanted to check out was they have their own, you know, apps kind of thing, like an app store. Yeah, they call that as a software. Yep, let's go shopping. This is also like mostly close to what Ubuntu offers, I guess. Yeah, they have a bunch of applications. Yeah, that's cool. What else do we have? Sound and video. We have, I think this is a photo camera application. Sound recorder, music player, video player. Yep, pretty standard these days. Yep. I think that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this distribution in general. Do you want me to pursue this particular distribution and use it kind of my primary distro, and then like actually do stuff on it and make a detailed review like after a month or so if it's really worth to switch something like a small project like Zorin. Yeah. Okay. Bye.